Hello and welcome to the Great North Gardener. Here you can find help in starting and creating a garden for your home. Now I know what you're thinking. Canada is freezing, right? And you're not wrong. But that doesn't mean we can't have amazing gardens. It just means we need to be smart about it. That's why in this video we're going to be looking at the 8 fastest growing vegetables, so you can have a bountiful harvest, even if your growing season is shorter than you'd like. Let's get to it. First up, we've got radishes. These little guys are the definition of fast and furious when it comes to growing. We're talking just 3 to 4 weeks from seed to plate. Now, don't let their size fool you. Radishes pack a punch of flavor. They add a nice peppery bite to salads, or you can even roast them for a sweeter, more mellow taste. The best part is, they're super easy to grow. Just sow the seeds directly into the ground after the last frost, and make sure they have well-drained soil. Water them regularly, and bam! You've got yourself a speedy and tasty harvest. Next up is lettuce. Everyone loves a good salad, and nothing beats the taste of fresh, homegrown greens. The great news is, most lettuce varieties grow incredibly fast. You can expect a harvest in about 30 days. There are so many different types of lettuce, from crisp romaine to buttery Bibb lettuce. You can even get creative and grow a mix for a beautiful and delicious salad bowl. Just like radishes, lettuce prefers well-drained soil and regular watering. So make sure you choose a sunny spot in your garden and keep the soil moist, but not soggy. Okay, so spinach may not be everyone's favorite, I get it. But you can't deny that it's a nutritional powerhouse. And the best part? It's ready to harvest in just 4 to 6 weeks. That's right, you can have fresh homemade spinach in your smoothies, salads, or even pasta dishes in no time. Talk about a healthy and quick meal solution. Spinach is a bit of a cool weather lover, so it's a great crop to plant in early spring or late summer. Just like our other speedy friends, it prefers well-drained soil and regular watering. Chapter 4. Green onions, your go-to garnish in 3 to 4 weeks. Now who doesn't love a good sprinkle of fresh green onions on their tacos, soups, or stir-fries? They add a burst of flavor and a pop of color to any dish. And guess what? You can grow your own in just 3 to 4 weeks. That's faster than it takes to order takeout. Green onions are super low maintenance. You can grow them from seed, or even regrow them from scraps. Just pop the root end in a glass of water, and watch them sprout back to life. Talk about a sustainable gardening win. Chapter 5. Kale, the 30-day wonder green. Kale, oh kale, it's the leafy green that's taken the world by storm, and for good reason. It's packed with nutrients and can be enjoyed in so many ways, from smoothies to salads to even chips. And guess what? This superfood grows incredibly fast, ready to harvest in about 30 days. Kale is another cool weather crop, so it's perfect for those shorter growing seasons. It prefers well-drained soil and a bit of shade during the hottest part of the day. Chapter 6. Arugula, the peppery salad superstar. Looking for a salad green with a bit of a kick? Then arugula is your new best friend. This peppery green adds a delicious bite to any salad or sandwich, and the best part, it's ready to harvest in just 3 to 4 weeks. You can enjoy fresh peppery arugula all season long. Arugula prefers cooler weather and some shade, especially during the hotter months. Keep the soil moist, and you'll have a bountiful harvest in no time. Chapter 7. Peas Sweet and Speedy Garden Treats. Peas. Those sweet little green gems that scream springtime. They're delicious, fresh, frozen, or even in stir-fries. Good news, folks. Peas are relatively fast growers, clocking in at around 6 to 8 weeks for a harvest. Not as speedy as radishes, but still pretty impressive. Peas like to climb, so make sure you provide them with some support, like a trellis or stakes. This will also make harvesting a breeze. Chapter 8. Zucchini, the prolific producer. Last but not least, we have zucchini. This versatile veggie is a garden favorite for a reason. It grows quickly and produces a ton of fruit throughout the season. You can expect to start harvesting zucchinis in about 6 to 8 weeks. And trust me, once they start coming in, you'll have plenty to share with friends, family, and neighbors. Zucchini plants are pretty low maintenance, but they do appreciate regular watering and fertile soil. So make sure you give them a good drink, especially during hot, dry spells. So there you have it. 8 fantastic vegetables that will thrive even in Canada's shorter growing seasons. Now you have no excuse not to get your hands dirty and start growing your own delicious food. Remember, gardening is all about experimenting and having fun. Don't be afraid to try different varieties, experiment with companion planting, and most importantly, enjoy the fruits or veggies of your labor. Tell us what you think in the comments, and like and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!